The cabin air filter in 2022-2024 Jeep Grand Cherokees is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. Its primary function is to filter incoming air, removing dust, pollen, and other pollutants to improve air quality inside the cabin. Replacing it regularly, typically every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, is essential. A clogged filter can reduce airflow, strain the HVAC system, potentially increase fuel consumption, and negatively impact your health by allowing allergens and pollutants to circulate. Jeep's Uconnect system, introduced in 2024 models, may provide alerts for filter maintenance based on usage data. Using Jeep recommended or approved aftermarket filters is crucial to maintain warranty validity. The cabin air filter replacement process is straightforward and can be completed in about 10 to 15 minutes. First, ensure the vehicle is parked safely with the engine off. Open the glove box and release the side stops to fully lower it. Locate the black plastic filter housing behind the glove box, secured by clips or screws. Remove the housing cover and slide out the old filter, noting its orientation. Note the orientation of the old filter for proper reinstallation. Airflow arrows typically point downward. Insert the new filter, ensuring correct orientation, then reattach the housing and glove box. Finally, test the AC system on both recirculation and fresh air modes. Reset any service reminders in the vehicle's menu. If unsure, consult the owner's manual or a certified technician.